Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix sign into complete purchase error on iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch. When we download or install apps on App Store say sign into complete purchase. How to fix here? Firstly, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi network or your cellular or mobile data is turned on. To do that, click on Settings app. In setting page, click on Wi-Fi. Toggle on Wi-Fi. If already toggle on, then toggle off and toggle on Wi-Fi. If you are using cellular or mobile data, then toggle on mobile data. If already toggle on, then toggle off and toggle on mobile or cellular data. Next, again click on App Store. Type and search app you want to download or install. If showing this error on iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch, sign into complete purchase, enter your Apple ID and password. Then click on sign in from top right corner. Finally click on always require. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.